Good morning, my queens. Wow, it's been a long time since I've actually done a full day of eating. My apologies. I was traveling. It's just been very, very hectic, but that's not an excuse. So welcome to this full day of eating on the go today. I'm like literally a little bit late. I'm going to actually meet up with Emily because we're going to catch up and we're going to have some coffee. I wanted to make myself some oats this morning, but I don't have time because I need to get there and find parking because LA parking, hashtag LA parking sucks. If there is food there, I may get something there. I'm not sure, but I'd rather have oats. So I love you guys. Thank you for tuning into this video and I will see you at Blue Bottle Cafe. I'll show you guys what I'm getting there, but I'm just gonna put my camera away because whenever I get together with my friends, especially my friends that do the whole social media thing just like I do, put our phones away and put our cameras away. So we're doing this quickly before we go. I literally have to go. Good morning, you guys know, like health supplements day to day. A lot of you guys always ask me, I post it on, I always take a daily multivitamin for women, focus for women. I use NLA for her. I do get a discount with them. It's always in my description box if you guys wanted to pick some stuff up. And then I always take fish oils. These are like essential for just daily health. Hopefully Emily doesn't come in. Okay, so I'm back home. So we met at Blue Bottle Cafe. I didn't end up filming. I will say that I had my very first, Emily's the one who recommended it, an oat milk latte. Not bad, but I definitely think that I prefer almond milk lattes. That'll probably be my first and my last. I definitely would recommend trying one of them though. It's very similar to almond milk, but I think I prefer almond milk better, but wasn't bad. All they had there was pastries and I can't really count any of those. I don't know. I wanted to be able to count today. I'm starving right now. So what I am going to have is my first meal. Actually heading out to a vocal lesson. I picked up a vocal coach who I'm really liking. This is actually my second lesson with her, so I'm super excited. As you guys know, I sing. That's something that I really want to start pursuing for myself. I'm just having my usual. So I have oats, I have berries, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of almond milk, unsweetened almond milk in there just to give a little more consistency. And then my go-to to put in my oats lately has been NLA for her whey, and it's the pumpkin pie one. So I do a half a scoop of this.
What you gonna do? What you gonna
Out right now. Today has just been go, so rushed, but because I haven't really been planning ahead. So we're heading to my vocal lesson. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that or not. Maybe I'll ask her if she's okay with it. Some people are weird about that. Water with me, a full thing of water, and then I always stay hydrated. So important, especially drinking caffeine that dehydrates you. A protein bar. So I do protein bars whenever I'm like on the go, not knowing how long until I'll be back home. Always a good idea to bring a protein bar or protein shake because it's important to get in protein at least every 4 hours. We are back. Super good vocal lesson. It's only my second one with her, so we're just like breaking the ice. I didn't end up having that protein bar because I've only been gone from home for like an hour and a half, and I actually made like solid food. If you can eat solid food as opposed to like having a protein bar, I highly suggest it. It's just, I don't know, more solid source of food, better micronutrients within it. So I went ahead and I made a little bit of broccoli. This is lean turkey meat, and then underneath is like quinoa rice. I don't know if you could see it exactly. Anyways, it's in there. It's at the bottom. Little guy. I get these packages, seed of chain, quinoa, and brown rice from Costco. You just like pop them in the oven, 90 seconds, and boom, it's ready. And I'm all about convenience. And then I'm having a diet sun-kissed. And then I'm answering some client emails. Speaking of client emails, I am currently taking on one-on-one coaching clients, and it's very, very limited. So if you guys are interested, you're looking for coaching, accountability, a very one-on-one personal with me. I'm very, very, it's very, very one-on-one with how I am with my clients, and that's why I take on limited. My website is always in my description box, just so you know, for now or for the future. I'm actually gonna prep some food. So I'm gonna prep Well, this little guy's always ready. That's pretty much what I prep. I'll do that or beans, black beans. And then I'm gonna cook up some yellow squash and zucchini. I also get this from Costco. And then I am in the process of defrosting some lean turkeys. I have been craving chocolate and like just having a sweet tooth more often lately for whatever reason. So I'm actually gonna have 2 Ghirardelli, can I talk? Can I won't talk? 2 Ghirardelli squares. So it's 5:25. I was napping earlier. I've been like really restless the past week, and when I could deal with like one day of no sleep or like bad sleep, but if it's like consecutive, like it really hits me hard. But I rested for like an hour, hour and a half. We're back to business. Like I told you, I'm going to prep some food. So I cut up some zucchini. About to prep this bad boy. So graceful, I know, thank you. Yeah, I got it from Costco. I was surprised that Costco had something like this, avocado oil spray. Prepping food is just like, you have to do it, or else when you're out and you're like busy, when you're out and you're busy and you don't prep food, that's when you eat bad food. And you know, I'm speaking to some of y'all souls right now that I always talk to my clients about. So it's not like I'm doing like a bro diet. You guys know, like you see, like I have other things that I like chocolate and stuff like that. But prepping like protein and vegetables is like so clutch to staying on top of your mother freaking diet. This honestly, whenever anybody asks me what I season with, this is my go-to. So you guys, 2 new gym items that I got to add to my gym bag. Speaking of, I think soon here I'm going to be doing another, I've done this before, but like what's in my gym bag. So I want to show you guys what I got. So I just figured something out because I've used one of the items, but I haven't used the other one. And I thought the other one was going to come with multiple items, but it didn't. So I need to order more. I finally got my own. It's from Fit Girl Athletica. This is not sponsored at all. I just ordered them off Amazon, and this was the most popular kickback. I am a huge fan of kickbacks. They're just, it's great for building your glutes. And it was like 14 bucks, I want to say. I'll link it. I'll link them for you in the description box. For all you cuties that always ask me for like at home workouts and stuff like that, I thought I was ordering a package of multiple bands, but apparently I need to go look back on what I ordered. But there's this huge band that you could do like a ton of different stuff with, like movements as far as like almost like deadlifts and squats and stuff. So if you don't have a gym membership or you can't make it to the gym, I'm gonna start putting out a bunch of exercises of stuff that you could do with bands that you can work out at home and actually get in a good workout. Our guidance, there's a bunch of different band, brands online. It came with this cute little bag. Bands, you could do like a lot with bands. So I'm super excited about this and this. Prepped and done. I'm gonna show you how much all of that prepped. I'm just having zucchini and some turkey, and then kind of let them get a little crispy, but you know, your girl's not a chef, that's fine. So that's how about much zucchini left over there is. And then there's literally a full container of some more turkey. This is probably about 3 servings. I want to say maybe 2.5. That's what I'm gonna have, and then I'm gonna end my night with 1 Fiber One oats and chocolate bar. I love this. It helps kind of curve my cravings for chocolate sometimes, unless I decide to have like Ghirardelli square chocolates. To up my fats, because my fats were actually surprisingly very low today, I'm gonna do a serving of Skippy. So sometimes I'm like, I don't want to say extra fat because it's not extra fat, it's within my macros, but like literally like I will dip like this in this, but obviously a actual weighed out serving of peanut butter. I'm not just eating a bunch of it. That's gonna conclude the day, and that ends me at, I probably will have a protein shake. I'll probably have a protein shake before I go to bed, but that ends me at 74 protein, which is low. I try to hit around 120. 125 carb, and then 50 fat. That's what everything added up to be. So I hope that you guys enjoyed that full day of eating. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, comment below if you guys have any questions. Make sure on your way out to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out so much to know what kind of videos you guys want from me to provide you. And then also don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that I can see you and you can see me in the next video. So I will see you guys in the next video. I love you so much, and go out there and get them, Tigers.